What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sage Monroe, back with another video. So today I am doing a review on what is inside of my sweet cookie bag, hole on the go bag. Like, I didn't know that they was gonna put hole on the go on the package. I'm a discreet hoe, okay? Like, for real. But I love it. The package is so beautiful. I love pink. So to start off, shipping. So I live in Georgia, and I believe that their headquarters is in Florida. So it did take, and this was around Black Friday as well. So, you know, there were a lot of orders probably going out for Christmas after that and whatnot. And they were probably very backed up. But I ordered my hole on the go kit. I ordered my kit November 25th, and I will put the proof in here because I ain't got nothing left. I ordered my hole on the go package on November 25th, and I am just receiving it January 6th, 2022. So yeah, it took a while to ship, but I'm like, you know what? I'm super excited to, you know, support Black owned business. Okay, so I was just like, you know, I'm gonna be patient, and I was excited to receive the honey wash and the coconut jelly wash, and we're gonna get into everything that's in the bag. But I was excited to just receive the whole package in its entirety because I've just been looking for new things to use down there, you know, just to stay clear. But I wanted something that was natural because I am sensitive, you know. So they kind of marketed that, you know, this was for women who have sensitivities and everything. And I am just gonna be opening up the package the first time for real with you guys. So I haven't tried anything yet, but after I try it, I'll go ahead and post another video. But yeah, I was just looking for something that was going to be good for me as a sensitive woman, that'll treat all my needs when it came to the, you know, the need for, you know, a little oil, you know, the need for the oil and the organic wash, the fanny liners and stuff like that. I just really thought it was a good idea for me to kind of just invest in myself. So that's why I went with sweet cookie wash. So let's just get into what we are going to be unraveling today. So first, let's get into our herbal mint liners. Our herbal mint liners, it's 12 in the pack. And they said that they're 100% all natural. So this was something I was excited about too, because, you know, sometimes you just may have discomfort and you just want something, you know, to wear or to, you know, just bring life back to your hoo-ha. Okay, so I'm opening it now. You see, it's like kind of packaged like a cute little candy. That is so cute. So you open it from the side here. So it slides out like this. And you have the 12 liners in there. Female ginseng, safflower, safflower root. So this is what the cookie sheet looks like when it first comes out of the package, and they're all individually packaged like this. But I'm actually gonna open one. It says do not use if you're pregnant or on your period, so keep that in mind. But I just want to open it up just so I can smell it. I know that's weird, but you know, they're herbal, and you know, it's supposed to have like the ginseng in it. So I just want to smell. Like, this is what the pad looks like. No wings, so definitely don't wear on your period. It feels very minty, like it smells very natural. I don't know, it might all be in my head, but I am getting a little hint of musk. I don't know. I don't know. It could be definitely one of these herbs in there, because I have essential oils and stuff like that that I use when I make like my own personal oils and stuff like that. And sometimes, let me see, yeah, it could be the safflower, but it smells great. I'm not gonna lie, it smells great. And I could tell that this could be definitely something that I would wear maybe like the morning after intercourse or something like intercourse. Why am I talking like that? Maybe like the morning after like 6 and a little beat up, something like that. And you just need something to revitalize it. I could definitely see myself going to the cookie sheet. So just wanted to show you guys everything in the package because I know how I am when I'm buying something for the first time. I want to see what's going on. So now to open our pouch. The first one didn't come in a pouch because obviously it's too big. But when you open the pouch, this is what you'll see. So you have your pH balance suppositories, you have your oil, your cookie oil, and then your slippery peels. So let's just get into each of them individually. So let's start in with our Cookie Restore Move Out Yeast is what it says on the package. So this says remove odor after using once. Yeast infection symptoms went away. Feel more confident about having sex. Felt extra fresh when used after period and treated the after sex odor. So I personally am looking for something that treats like yeast infections, but is more natural, you know. I don't want to insert anything that's just too chemically processed into my body, you know. So I think that this is gonna be great for me. So I'm gonna open it. And inside is just the pill bottle. So the pill bottle, more than likely, you know, just has the suppositories inside. And then it has directions and everything on the bottle as well. So yeah, it looks like a little capsule, but you don't put it in your mouth, of course. Boric acid, yeah, so this is just boric acid, you know. But boric acid is one of the #1 things that they tell you to use if you ever experience BV or yeast infection or anything of this sort. So I am super excited about this one. Cookie oil, a slice of moisture. I'm so excited about this one. I've been waiting for this package for a minute. But Lang Lang sesame oil, jojoba oil, I can never say that word right. Moringa oil. No, this is one of the things because I just heard that it smells so good, you know, and that it keeps you moisturized organically, you know, without all the chemicals, and it also smells great. So here's the bottle. Oh, it's kind of hard to focus it. This says sweet cookie oil can be used to shave or moisturize the vulva. Simply pump onto clean fingertips and apply to vulva and labia. So I just want to smell it. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hands. Taking a couple pumps. Okay. Yes. Yes, I love this. Oh my gosh, I can definitely smell the orange. It gives it a nice citrus. In the sesame, I could really feel how just silky the sesame oil is, and it's just like moisturize my hands. I'm gonna need a whole full body oil of this. I love this. Yeah, I could definitely smell the orange. And it says it has vanilla resin in it. No, I really like this and I will definitely be using this. It is a small bottle, it's 30 milliliters, but I mean, I guess it's for a small area, so. But yeah, that was what was in the cookie oil box. Super excited about that. So here we have the powerful, sex, slippery, wetter is better dietary supplements, okay? I was kind of skeptical about this one because I honestly do hate taking medication, but you know, by mouth, and it says take 2 daily. Take 1 capsule by mouth twice daily, and you should see results within 3 to 4 days. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm a smoker. And sometimes, you know, smoking can just dehydrate your whole body. So I'm gonna give these a whirl, okay? I'm gonna give them a try. And like I said, when I try everything all together, I am going to give you guys just, you know, the full spiel, because I can't say whether it works or not yet. But I will say that I got 30 capsules to test, okay? So I am excited about these because just, you know, as a woman, you know, all the pressure is put on us to just be the moisture generators, okay? In the situation. So I think that this, you know, could be definitely a great help to a lot of women out there. So last but not least, I have some of these would look like samples. So this kind of disappointed me out of the package, because when I ordered it, I was led to believe that I would receive a whole bottle of this honey wash, and as well as a whole pack of these cookie wipes, as well as a whole bottle of this coconut jelly. And as you can see, I have 3 packets of wipes and 1 packet each of the washes. And that really did disappoint me when I first seen it out of the package, because I was super excited to use this, especially this honey wash here, because it's hard, you know, to find a good vaginal wash that doesn't burn and that doesn't irritate you, dry you out, a lot of different things. So I just didn't understand why this is the only thing that came in the pack, you feel me? Like I said, I believe this is black owned, so I ain't bashing, you feel me? But if they do have this sale, or if they have this package available, just for anybody who is looking forward to, you know, purchasing it, you probably won't get a whole package of cookie wipes, and you're definitely not getting the bottles of body washes or, you know, cookie washes. So unfortunately, I was kind of sad about that, but like I said, I'm gonna try both of them, and if I really like you know, either one, or I feel like either one fits me best, then I'll go online and I'll just buy the bottle, you feel me? Like, I got this on sale, so I did pay $70 for everything when the value was actually $100. But I would have been a little upset if I would have paid $100 and didn't receive, you know, a full bottle of, you know, the washes and a bag of the cookie wipes. So that's really the shipping, and this is the only negative thing I have to say about it thus far. And not even negative, but the only real thing that I had to just be honest with you guys about. So I was going to, I did plan on, because I've been planning this video for a while, I did plan on opening and smelling these and, you know, everything, and I still will with my packets, but I guess I just won't have, you know, enough sample to really, you know, give a whole full review on. But what I do have, I will try my best to give the best review that I can on my later video, when I actually, maybe like a month from now, when I really try everything out. So that concludes my whole on the go when your pH matter, but being a hoe matters more. Oh, I hope my mama don't watch this. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so this is what came in my package. Just showing you guys both packages together. This is what came in my package, and I'm happy. I was super excited to receive this, and I'm super excited to just see how my pH improves over time by, you know, using all of these products. So thank you so much, Sweet Cookie Wash, for my home to go pack and for my liners. If you guys have any other questions or concerns or anything that you want to say or leave down in the comments, feel free, and I'll be pretty much getting back to those questions in my next video. Also, if you have purchased this as well, let me know if the same thing happened with you with the packets, or if that was just me. Okay, but I really appreciate you guys so much again for tuning into my video. I'll be sharing more content and be doing reviews on a lot more different things in the future. So subscribe, and like this video as well if you liked it, if it helped you kind of get a better understanding of some of the products that you were looking at. And I will see you guys in my next video. Godspeed.